Hi, my name is Monica Guilhot-Chartrand. I'm a bilingual licensed clinical social worker at Samara Care Counseling Center. I'm a psychotherapist and the coordinator of Samara Care's Older Adult and Family Service Program. I want to speak to the older adult population at this time, as we are encountering a challenge of epic proportions, the COVID-19 pandemic. This crisis is affecting us all. You may have loved ones near and far that you're concerned about. Yet, during these trying times, we all need to find ways to cultivate serenity, clarity, and open-heartedness. We need more than physical refuge to be safe and protected. We also need to find inner refuge to deal with our emotions, our doubts, and our fears. Fear and anxiety concerning the unknown can be overwhelming. It is vital to find ways to support ourselves and channel our emotions in a healthy manner. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention offer tips that we can use that are clear and doable at this time. These tips help us tend to our physical refuge by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This could involve consuming well-balanced meals, exercising, getting plenty of sleep, taking deep breaths, or meditating. Avoid drugs and alcohol. Participate in activities that you enjoy and are able to do at this time. Stay connected with others. Share your concerns and feelings with somebody you trust. There is an overwhelming abundance of information in news stories and on social media about the pandemic. Make sure you limit the time you engage with this information or take breaks. It is also important to follow official sources for accurate information. Finally, respect public health officers' decrees. Remain at home to prevent this virus from spreading so that we can all return to our normal routines as soon as possible. The American Society on Aging highlights that in a pandemic, preventing social isolation becomes a personal mission. Area agencies on aging and other programs that serve older adults are figuring out how to enhance social engagement while sheltering in place. This social situation we are in presents an opportunity for us to grow, an opportunity to trust in our abilities, to trust that we are not alone, to trust that near us there is a helping hand. For some people, this translates into a family member or a friend that supports our living arrangement, that watches over us, that brings us a warm homemade meal. For others, it is a trusted agency, a trusted provider, or a warm line they can call when they need to be heard. This new normal is asking us to get out of our comfort zones. Some of us might need to learn how to navigate new technology to stay in touch. I was speaking the other day with a woman in her 70s who was telling me that she needed to learn how to print and how to use FaceTime to preserve important connections. She recognized that she was scared at first, but once she learned what she needed to, she was ecstatic. Her declaring "I did it" highlighted her sense of accomplishment. This is a great example of attending to your inner refuge. Tap into your strengths, your contacts, and your willingness to help. It can be as simple as offering encouragement. "We can do this. You're strong. This will pass." Another important skill to cultivate is grounding. This means balancing your physical, emotional, and mental state. This helps you stay in the present, in the here and now. It can help you concentrate on what really matters to you, dealing with each day as it comes. Another pathway towards serenity, clarity, and open-heartedness to consider is to give yourself the opportunity to appreciate what you have and express gratitude. Gratitude entails being appreciative for what you have and to return with kindness. Make that phone call that you haven't made because you didn't have time. Let other people know you're thinking of them. Befriend those books or magazines that have been piling up. Play music, make memories with your grandchild, tell them stories and explore new worlds together. My grandmother was a wonderful storyteller. She told me magical stories in her regional dialect, and these are memories I cherish dearly. She made me a better person just by being present. Older people's contributions matter. We all matter. Remember you're alive, and this is a chance to get in touch with all those wonderful gifts that make us human.